Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Nick Di Giovanni's easy crème brûlée. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 5 egg yolks, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. For the creamy base, grab 3 cups of heavy cream and 1½ teaspoons of vanilla bean paste or extract. Don't forget some extra sugar for that perfect crunchy top later on. These few items are all you need to create a truly delicious dessert. Now let's create that luscious custard. In a bowl, whisk your egg yolks, sugar, and salt until they're light and creamy. Next, warm the heavy cream with your vanilla until it just begins to simmer, showing small bubbles at the edges. Carefully and slowly, drizzle the hot cream into the egg mixture while whisking constantly. This prevents the eggs from cooking too quickly. Finally, strain the mixture to remove any bits, ensuring a wonderfully smooth custard. With your custard ready, it's time for baking. Pour the smooth mixture into your ramekins, filling them almost to the top. Arrange these ramekins in a larger baking dish, then carefully add hot water to the dish, reaching about halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake this in a 300-degree Fahrenheit oven for around 30 to 35 minutes until the centers are just slightly jiggly. After baking, let them cool completely, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or ideally overnight. The final, most exciting step is creating that signature crack. Take your chilled crème brûlée and sprinkle a generous, even layer of granulated sugar over the top of each one. Now, with a kitchen torch, carefully melt and caramelize the sugar until it turns a beautiful golden brown color. If you don't have a torch, you can make a simple stovetop caramel and pour it over. Serve immediately and enjoy the delightful contrast of the crisp, sweet crust and the creamy custard beneath.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.